How to replace a human touch WholeBody ROVE air valve bank. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutter, and new zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, unzip the top of the body pad from the backrest. Lift up on the front of the body pad to access the side zippers, then unzip both sides of the body pad from the chair. Slide the heat cable connector cover to the side, then disconnect the connectors. Remove the body pad from the chair. Next, open the zipper that secures the fabric massage mechanism cover, then slide the cover up out of the way. Using a wire cutter, cut the two zip ties that secure the air hoses and connector to the chair. Disconnect the connector. Then, disconnect the 4 air hoses from the air valve bank. Now, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the air valve bank to the chair, 1 in each corner. Remove the air valve bank from the chair. To install the new air valve bank, place it into position with the wires on top, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Attach the black hose to the end fitting, the green hose to the rear side fitting, the straight white hose to the middle fitting, and the white hose that comes from the other side of the chair to the front fitting. Reconnect the connector. Note the tab on the side of the chair. Install a new zip tie through the tab and around the connector wiring and air hoses. Repeat the step to secure the wiring and air hoses on the other side of the connector. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, close the fabric massage mechanism cover zipper. Next, place the body pad into position, then reconnect the heat cables. Slide the connector cover over the connection. Zip both sides of the body pad to the chair. Press the front of the body pad to secure it, then zip the top of the body pad to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.